Welcome. In today's episode, we buy a drone, go swimming with whale sharks, and check out a pretty cool sunset. Stay tuned. I'm Tarek, and that's Claire, and we're the West Wanderers. We start the video off at the Exmouth Lighthouse. This is a great spot to watch the sunset over the Indian Ocean, enjoy a cold beer, and just soak in the views. It gets quite busy, so if you're intending to come here, make sure you come a little bit before sunset so you can grab yourself a good spot. Just down the road from the lighthouse is Hunters Beach. This is popular with surfers, kite surfers, and when it's not wavy, paddleboarders. Just down at Oyster Stacks. Just gonna do a quick swim before Claire goes off to work. And finally, we swim with whale sharks. This was an awesome experience that we definitely recommend you do. Keep in mind, the whale sharks can be quite fast, so it helps to be a strong swimmer, but some of them were a little bit slower. Regardless, you can still sort of watch them cruise by, as you can see in this clip, but it's just one of those things that a video isn't going to be able to give justice to. It's so awesome just sort of chilling in the water as they pass and trying to keep up with them. So definitely recommend doing it.